Horror Burns' baby dies after she climbed into a pan of boiling water and parents took her to a quack healer instead of a hospital. A little girl who fell into a pot of boiling water suffered an excruciating death after her parents refused to take her to the hospital. 2-year-old, excuse my pronunciation on the names, I'm going to say Lisa Gorbora suffered severe burns to her lower body after she slipped and landed into a metal basin filled with scalding water left out by her parents. Wow. Okay. The tot was playing with her twin brother and older sister 4 when the incident occurred in the Ukraine village of, I'm not going to pronounce that, it's Grygorivka, Gyrovica? Reports say that the mother, Dasha, 18, and father Ivan, 29, decided against taking her to the hospital instead choose to treat their child with herbal remedies. The tot suffered excruciating pain for 5 days before her grandmother came for a visit and rushed her to the hospital. The woman was reportedly shocked with the child's condition and immediately called an ambulance. The youngster was rushed off with serious burns to her legs, buttocks, stomach, and back. But it was too late, and Lisa died on August 2nd, almost 10 days after being admitted to hospital. Oh, it's so sad.